January 31st, 2020, Northeast Pacific Water Vapor Loop for Los Angeles here. Today, there it is, Los Angeles right here. Getting a side shot of that leftover water vapor. Okay, and fortunately, we didn't have to deal with any water vapor, as you can see. There you go. Nothing at all. Anywhere near the west, doesn't matter where it came in. And that, of course, is thanks to these healthy chemtrails. That's the morning sky around 7 in the morning. And the west, east, that's the east. All right, and let's go to the west here. Very good, very good. Great shot right there. I must say they're doing some nice work. So kind of a light dusting to start that morning. And you can see that in the Modus Today map. Right there, January 31st. The gray, of course, that's California here. Right here's Los Angeles, and you can see the entire state. And the west is getting that gray haze on top of any white rain moisture, especially here. So there'll be no rain today, and nice humidity dropped to 16% by 12 o'clock, and there you go. No worries. This is not a problem. There's more and more of the vapor being desiccated by that chemtrail ash. So you see that time, and you see Los Angeles here. A little dumping of that vapor right about where the pen is there. And again, in the evening, 0. No precipitation. They're doing their job, because you can see throughout here this continual spraying of that ash to desiccate. Dry it off, people. It's not needed here in LA. It does make for a nice, thick, kind of a fireplace-like atmosphere. Oh yeah, reflecting off that metal gives you a nice pink sunset here. And there. So that's it. Nothing really to see. And that's the surface analysis map. Los Angeles, plenty of high pressure, keeping the moisture away and preventing any rain. 31st came in, but even here you didn't see much of anything that I could see. Doesn't matter. So that's done. But we can always enjoy these sunsets.